Nau mai ki whakamiere. Nau mai ki whakamiere. Welcome to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share reo Māori translations of stories. Today's Paki Poto is Te Pōkiha Whiore Kore by Aesop. Before our kupu hou, we're excited to announce our brand new reo Māori stickers. They're free and available to everyone, so hang around at the end of the podcast to hear the details about how to get yours. Today we have two kupu hou. The first is whakapakepake, and it means to persuade. Here's an example. I whakapakepake te tama I ōna mātua. The boy persuaded his parents. Our other kupu hou is poro, and in this context it means to chop off or to amputate. Here's an example. Aue, kua poro ia I tōna mati. Oh no, she's chopped off her finger. Kia are mai o taringa. Listen out for our kupu hou in the kōrero. Kia hāneana te noho, whakarongo mai e hoa mā. Te Pōkiha Whiore Kore, nā Aesop. I mau te whiore o tētahi pōkiha I tētahi tārore. Me te aha e wete kina ai, ka mate ia kia poro. He mōhio nōna ki te whakaparahakongia ona e rā anō I te korenga o tōna whiore. Ka nonoi atu kia rātou, kia whakatahangia hoki o rātou whiore. Nā reira, I te huihuinga pōkiha o muri mai, ka tuia ki te kōrero ki te maumau o ngā whiore, I ngā hoki rā ki te hoha o tō te pōkiha whiore. Ka āpiti atu ai, kua ngāwari rawa atu tōna ao I te korenga o tōna whiore. I tāna noho iho, ka tūake tētahi koraua nanakia, ka waiwai tāna wiriwiri I tōna whiore huruhuru, ka ki atu ai me tōna whakahihi. Mēnā hoki tōna whiore I poroa, pēnei tō te kai kōrero o mua tata nei, kāore e kore kua whakapakepaketia mārika. Engari anō, kia pāngia rāno ia e te hauatanā, ka tautokona tonutia e ia, te puritanga tonutanga ki te whiore. Ko te kiko o te kōrero, kia tūpato I te hunga e manakotia nei te takahanga ou kia ōrite ai ki tōna mana. The Fox Without a Tail by Aesop. A fox was once caught in a trap by his tail and in order to get away was forced to leave it behind. Knowing that without a tail he would be the laughingstock for all his fellows, he resolved to try to induce them to part with theirs. So at the next assembly of foxes, he made a speech on the unprofitableness of tails in general and the inconvenience of a fox's tail in particular, adding that he had never felt so easy as since he had given up his own. When he had sat down, a sly fellow rose, and waving his long brush with a graceful air, said, with a sneer, that if, like the last speaker, he had lost his tail, nothing further would have been needed to convince him. But till such an accident should happen, he should certainly vote in favour of tails. The moral being, guard against those who would wish you to be reduced to their own level. Tēnā rawa atu koe I tāu whakarongo mai. Thank you for listening to Whakamiere. Our brand new reo Māori stickers are available to everyone who supports us on Patreon. This includes free members, so it doesn't cost you a single cent to get your hands on these. If you sign up to one of the paid tiers, you get your choice of stickers. We have 3 amazing designs, each in 2 different sizes, and you can check them out on Patreon and Instagram. The offer is valid for all current and new members until all the stickers are gone, so tell your friends and whānau as well. Join us next time for a new episode, and I'd like to take the time to mihi to our supporters on Patreon. It's thanks to them that we're able to keep the podcast ad-free. If you have friends and whānau who might like the kaupapa, please share it with them. Check out Patreon for all the kōrero about subscriptions and how to join our whānau whakamiere. and follow us on Instagram for more kōrero. Ko Taurapa e mihi nui ana, hei a koe nei e hoa mā.